गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा गुरुसाक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः.
Hi Nagendra, how are you? Namaste. Hello. Hi Chandrika. Soumya, how are you? Hi, how are you? Raghavendra. Soumya, ఎక్కడున్నా?
Where are you? Rangarao.
రాఘవ్ ఎక్కడున్నారా?
ఇంట్లోనే.
విజయవాడ వస్తున్నారా?
మీ అందరూ ఒకటే ఉన్నారు కదా? రోజా వాళ్ళు మీరు అందరూ ఒకటే ఉన్నారా?
So we have Father Jibin with us. Shweta, Vinay, Swati, could you please put your mics in mute for a little bit time?
Yeah, good morning everybody. Is Father Jibin here? A few of you who are joined already. Yeah, please put your microphones in mute so that it will be clear for everybody. Father Michael, the previous principal, Father Jiva and all are waiting to join. They are already sent me messages. They are a little busy. So, dear all, I am a new person here for the St. Mary's School, but still very happy to see you all at this outset, and I welcome you all also. The first and second or third batches after CFIC has taken over the school, they are ready to lead the section, and I am very happy to welcome them, Roja and her companions, and there are many others who will be joining us very shortly. So I welcome all of you with a warm happiness and joy. It is since we all know it is a day of Teachers Day, and all over India we are celebrated it, and I am very happy to wish our beloved teachers all the greetings of the day. And I welcome all of you, your principals, the previous principals who were there when you were studying. They will be joining us shortly. We will give them also a chance to speak. So, as an introduction, I just want to say this one. So, one more request is that all of you, when you join, try to keep your phones mute. And Roja will be handling the section in the beginning, and she will be guiding you, so she may be able to give you a chance to talk to each other. So now I request all of you to keep the microphones in mute. And Roja, all the best for the section. Thanks a lot for everybody for joining this auspicious day. Thank you.
Thank you, Father. So we have Michael Sebastian, the former principal of St. Mary's High School for the year 2010 and 11. So I would request Father Michael to speak few words on this Teachers' Day.
Hi friends, it's really happy to talk to you this day, and I'm really happy that you all remember us, and from you I heard that you are really happy and you had so many blessings because of our teaching position. I'm really happy that you have done this wonderfully done. Thank you very much for inviting us, and I am always praying for you that you may have good future in your life. Okay, you take care. Bye-bye.
So I request whoever wants to speak, just come forward. So rather than calling names.
I request please to talk some few words, Michael Sebastian, sir.
It's okay, just a few words. Already I was the first one talked already, and I went for prayer and came back now. So thank you very much once again, and I know that you all are in a good position, and take courage, go ahead, and keep always this friendship and your closeness to our school, and we will be with you with our prayer and presence. Thank you all. Happy Teachers Day to all our school teachers, past and present.
Thank you, Father. Thank you so much. So, if anyone wants to speak, I would request
Definitely, we all can't forget Benny sir and Lysimus, what they have contributed to St. Mary's. So I wish everybody, all the teachers who taught me and who didn't, but still everybody are good.
Okay, just one more thing. I would like you to tell, ask you when you have passed out from St. Mary's. So there are many students who just left the St. Mary's and who we don't know, most of them. So just tell when you have started your studies in St. Mary's and when you have finished it.
Yep, I started when I was in 4th class. I came to St. Mary's, then left in my 9th class. Again joined with some little drama. I joined at the end of 9th class, and I finished my 10th in St. Mary's.
Yeah, thank you so much, Ekla, for spending your time and giving your wishes and your memories with us, sharing with us. Thank you so much, and all the best for your bright future.
Thank you.
Yeah. I would request Raghavendra Rao to speak few words.
Hi everyone.
Raghavendra.
Very happy to see you all you members, and when very happy to what do you say, we are not getting words to talk about this day, and I am very happy to see Father Saju. And coming to the teachers, there is no favorite teacher and all, everyone is a favorite teacher. Because of all these teachers, we are staying like this now, and the knowledge they have provided, even though they treated us like their own children. Not what about Sunila ma'am, when we are playing in games, encouragement behalf of Sunila madam, Uma miss, Bhanumati miss, Pawan sir, not at all. Everyone have involved like their children, and even I'm very happy to share. We have so many memories with St. Mary's School, with Benny sir, Roy sir, Sidhu sir, Lisi miss, Deepa miss, everyone. Because of all these members only we are talking like this now, and even they have given a stone. What is that? If the pillar is strong, the building will be strong. In the same way, every student who has studied in St. Mary's, the pillars are very strong. I strongly believe that. I have seen so many students who have studied in other schools. I didn't feel that. I feel that we are better that we have studied in St. Mary's. That's the only word I have to say. And Uma miss, happy Teachers Day, Sunila miss, Pawan sir, Bhanumati miss, and I don't know whether that Benny sir is in the meet or not. For all those members also, very happy Teachers Day, ma'am, and especially Father Saju, you had made our days very good. Jiva Father, Prem Father, Michael Sebastian, and all you fathers, very happy Teachers Day, and thank you for all the teachers for giving so much of blessings to us.
Thank you, Raghavendra. Thank you so much.
Thank you for giving this opportunity to us. Maybe you are the person you had involved in this.
No. If you want to praise anyone, then you have to praise Jibin Father and for making this virtual meeting and gathering all our students and teachers. I think you have to wish or thank Sunila ma'am, Pawan sir, and Duma miss and Jibin Father to taking this initiative. I'm just telling your names, and I'm just asking you to speak some words. It's not you shouldn't give me all these appreciation to me. You have to appreciate them. Okay. Thank you, Raghavendra. I would request Venkatesh. Could you please put your mic in mute, Raghavendra? Yeah, I would request Venkatesh to speak few words, and then followed by Rangarao and 2010-11 batch. to speak one after one, and then we can give chance for the remaining students. I request everyone to speak 1 to 2 minutes so that everyone would get chance within the time. And meanwhile, I would, whenever the fathers joins, so I would request everyone, they'll speak in between.
Hi, hello everyone. I'm so happy to see you all after long time. You guys after passing out 10th, and I think it is after long time that we are meeting. This is a wonderful platform for every one of us to come together, to see each other, to know about each other, where we are. And for Jibin really are doing well, and all the staff for arranging this such a beautiful gathering. I am so thankful to you everyone for having me in this virtual get together on this special day as you're celebrating Teachers Day. Also, I wish all of our teachers happy Teachers Day. At present, I am in Bangalore. I came to Bangalore to complete my exams because a few exams are pending. So I want to finish the exams very soon and join with Father Jibin. Again, I am coming to Newsweed only to the school. I will be shortly joining with Father Jibin. I hope all are doing well with all of your studies, and some are doing some jobs and so on. And this Roja, you're doing well, organizing so well. So thank you once again. Thank you all, and keep going. I will be joining with you very shortly.
అందరికీ శుభోదయం. నాతోటి గురువులందరికీ గురు పూజోత్సవ శుభాకాంక్షలు. ప్రియాతి ప్రియమైన శిష్యులందరికీ నా ఆశీస్సులు. మీరు స్కూల్ లైఫ్లో అనుభవించిన మెమరీస్ అన్నీ మాతో షేర్ చేసుకుంటారని మేము ఇక్కడ మీ చెప్పే మాటలు వినటానికి ఎదురు చూస్తూ ఉన్నాము.
గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ టు ఆల్. మన సెంట్ మేరీ స్కూల్ ప్రిన్సిపల్ గారికి, నాతోటి అధ్యాపక బృందానికి ముందుగా ఉపాధ్యాయ దినోత్సవ శుభాకాంక్షలు. సరే, చాలా సంవత్సరాల తర్వాత మీ అందరం చూడటం చాలా సంతోషంగా ఉంది. మీకు కూడా అంతే సంతోషంగా ఉంది అనుకుంటున్నాను. ఫేస్లో ఆ ఆనందం కనిపిస్తుంది నాకు. తర్వాత ఒక 10 years క్రితం జ్ఞాపకాలన్నిటినీ కూడా షేర్ చేసుకోవడం అంటే మామూలు విషయం కాదు కదా. సరే, నేను మీకు ఒక చిన్న విషయం చెప్పాలనుకుంటున్నాను. ఏంటంటే, ఈ సెంట్ మేరీ స్కూల్లో చిన్నపిల్లలుగా చేరిన మీరు ఈరోజు ఈ ఉన్నతమైనటువంటి స్థానంలో ఉండడం చూస్తుంటే నాకు చాలా సంతోషంగా ఉంది. అసలు నాకు మాటలు రావట్లేదు ఏం చెప్పాలి మీకు అనేది. అయినా ఈ ఆనందాన్ని మళ్ళీ మీరు కూడా షేర్ చేసుకోవాలి. ఇప్పుడు దిస్ ఇస్ టైమ్ ఫర్ యూ.
రిక్వెస్ట్ స్వాతి కిరణ్, శ్వేత, లక్ష్మి, whoever in online, just speak few words.
Hello everyone. Good morning and a very happy Teachers Day to all the teachers of St. Mary's, previous teachers and the current teachers here. I'm really thankful to all the teachers who have taught us, especially teachers that were in my batch of 10th class. I was passed out at 2011. So I definitely miss all the teachers that were there during those years. It's been 10 years now, and it's really good to see all the teachers here who have joined. And I really wish there are many teachers who have not joined yet, so I wish everybody would come eventually. So yes, the guidance that has been given by teachers to us in school time is a really big part of our life. Like that is the guidance of our life that especially in my case, Maths sir, Hindi sir, Babu sir, Venkatrao sir, Uma miss, and definitely all the teachers have guided us towards right path. I live in Hyderabad now and I work at the IT sector, and I'm really very happy to have been a part of St. Mary's, and and really have had very beautiful memories in St. Mary's. I've studied only 5 years from 6th class to 10th class, but still those 5 years have been very beautiful years, and I have made many friends also, and I'm very grateful to be a part of the school. and that's what all I have to say.
Thank you, Shweta. Thank you so much. Yeah, I would request Sai Teja to speak few words. The SPL, the former SPL of St. Mary's School.
ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ థ్యాంక్స్ చెప్పుకోలేదు నన్ను ఛాన్స్ ఇచ్చారు, దాన్ని నాకు ఈ స్కూల్లో సీట్ ఇచ్చారు. నన్ను చాలా విషయాల్లో ఆయన ప్రోత్సహించారు. చాలా మంది స్నేహితులు, చాలా మంది అందరూ కలిసి ఒకే చోట చదువుకొని చాలా ప్రైజులు అయ్యాము. అండ్ ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ నన్ను భరించి నాకు చదువు చెప్పిన మన ఉపాధ్యాయులందరికీ and especially thank you my father.
Hi Sai Teja.
Thank you so much, Sai Teja, for sharing your memories. Though your voice was inaudible, but still I can see a lot of memories that you are sharing with St. Mary's in your face. Thank you so much for that. Okay, meanwhile, Venugopal sir joins. So I would request Chandrika, Pavan, and Sharmila. A lot of students are online, so I would request everyone to speak one after one and share their memories. Chandrika.
Hello everyone, I am Chandrika from 2012 batch of St. Mary's High School. I wish each and every teacher a very happy Teachers' Day to all. Hi Roja Akka, hi Sai Teja Annaya, hi Raghavendra. I had become an art student. Now I am doing my fashion photography. I am very happy to see you all like this.
I would request Roy sir to speak.
Hi sir.
Okay. Hi, Andaru
Yeah.
Very nice to see you, sir.
Very happy Teachers' Day, sir. Yeah, it's but I have no words to say arranging such an amazing organized. Who organized this?
Jibin father and a lot of teachers from St. Mary's School. They've
I have
contacted
just the message from Father Michael and Father Jibin and Father I don't know the name, I forgot the name. Then Father Jibin, I don't know personally, but Father, so of course you know I was here. Then he was there. So thank you very much. And what I can say, it's very, very, very pleasure to see you all. How many of you know me?
Hi Roy sir. I hope you are in touch with Stanley sir, Joseph sir.
Yeah,
John,
sure.
John sir.
Stanley sir, Johnny sir, Benny sir, Lesinis.
Benny sir, all of them.
Yeah, all of fine.
Good.
Hi sir, good morning sir. Happy Teachers' Day.
Who is that? I can see.
How are you sir?
I'm good. What about you?
Fine sir. Very good to see you after a long time. I'm so happy.
Yeah. It's very happy to see you all too. And I am not in India now. I am here in Maldives.
Okay.
Some of you may know that. Still, I will have some online classes soon. So I just came into and I will put down now. Anyway, I wish you everyone success because it's a very, very wonder to see you. Some of you are very at the height of progress. There you are. Some of you are out of India. Yes, easy. Wish everyone all success. Okay, I will be joining you later. Still, I am getting some calls. Okay. Meanwhile, I will join you. I will talk to you later. Okay. Thank you.
Okay sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for joining. Yeah, Raj Krishna.
Yeah, hi. Yeah, it's nice to see Roy sir. I mean, I am seeing almost, it's been, I think 18 years or something like that. So, okay, anyway, I'm 2000 pass out. I'm the former school SPL, and also I am the admin of St. Mary's School Facebook page. And I know up to around 2005 batch, I believe. From 1997 is the first pass out from St. Mary's, and I believe I attended in St. Mary's up to from 5th class to 10th class, and later on, before it used to be near library, and later on the school used to be near fire station, and after that it moved to NSP colony. I think right now you guys are at the same location, I believe, and there are a lot of things to share because right now what we are here, right, because of the teachers. They are the one who taught us, and Yeah, I don't have any words to express, but I need to give chance to other people as well. I wish all good luck. But I have one question, Roja. I don't know because you are leading the team here. So
Yeah, please.
my question was, so when Benny sir or someone,
Yeah.
hand over the school, do you guys have any school older photos from 1997 to 2009 or 2010?
I mean, we don't have. I think most of my friends and juniors might be having those pictures.
I mean, not the pictures. I believe like when do you have a school function or something like that, right? Annual day function and all those things. The school used to take pictures, right?
Yeah, I remember.
But my question was, do you guys have from 1997? Because they used to carry an album or something like that. But I mean, I'm not contacted with Benny sir, so
I'm sure it'll be with it'll be with Benny sir and Lysimus definitely.
Yeah.
It's better you contact them.
Okay, sure.
Yeah.
Sounds good.
Yeah, Raj Krishna, just let us know. I mean, where you are and what you're doing. What are you doing now? So just all the let the juniors know. I mean.
Sure. I'm the 4th pass out batch from St. Mary's, 2000 pass out. So I have done my schooling as well as my bachelor's in Newsweek itself, and later on I moved to US, and I have done my master's and MBA in US. Right now I'm in Atlanta, Georgia. That's it.
Thank you, Raj Krishna. Thank you so much. Yeah. I hope you have a good future, and so happy to see you're a super most senior to us. Thank you so much, Raj Krishna.
Yeah, Roja. Good morning,
Yeah,
my
Meghna. Yes,
morning,
Meghna.
my dear, respected teachers, friends, juniors, each and everyone over there. It's important to take a moment to admire and appreciate our teachers for their contribution. The gifted souls who work hard every day to make sure that the future is bright for all of us. As Dr. S. Radhakrishnan believed that teachers should be best minds in the country. Teaching is great optimism. It is one such profession that creates all other professions. You are the pillars of our success. As Dr. Radhakrishnan was a great philosopher, great scholar. On his birthday, we are celebrating Teachers' Day in our country. St. Mary's is not only place for studies. My teachers teach me good manners, life skills. I can't ignore their efforts. And this is the greatest institution which gave me good friends, wonderful memories, which are unforgettable. Happy Teachers' Day.
Thank you, Meghna. Thank you so much for the valuable message. I would request Venu sir to speak few words. Our PT sir.
Hi students, how are you?
We are good. Thank you so much, sir. Okay, I would ask Irfan to speak few words. I mean, he's our senior.
Yeah, hello and good morning to one and all. First of all, I would like to say Happy Teachers' Day to each and everyone. So there are many teachers who are not in the call, and I would like to convey my wishes to them, especially Benny sir, Lysimus, and all others, Johnny sir, and I think Roy sir is here. And nothing more to speak in this call, but I can say one thing that you all created us in a beautiful sculpture, and we are here in almost all of us are in a successful path in our careers. We all know that the present education system and schooling which is having in current scenario is far different from the place we have learned from many teachers. I mean, nowadays the teachers, those who are little bit of harsh or anything, they're changing our ways. If they try to change our own ways in different ways, parents are not at all accepting. But previous days we used to have a great struggle and everything from teachers. I guess those all things had made us very positive in our lives, and I used to have a regular contact with all our principals, and I mean especially Benny sir, Lissy miss, and Johnny sir, and I used to tell them now also that we have educated near you, and we are success in our life. So I wish everyone to be successful in their life regarding with the blessings of all teachers. And thank you, Roja. Thank you for letting my name to speak here.
Thank you, Irfan. Thank you so much. All the best for your bright future. Swati, Kiran, Rangara, and Venkatesh, I think three of you are together. So I would request you to speak few words.
I'm working in Indian Naval Submarines. My department belongs to navigation and direction. So I would like to especially thankful to which I have interest, like Umasri, which she shows some special interest in caring of studies, and the individual shows.
Before that, I would request you to stop your car and speak. So it's not good.
Hey Roja, sorry to interrupt every leaving, but I just want to make sure one real quick word from my end. The thing is that we do have a Facebook page, St. Mary's High School. I'm seeing most of the people who are already in the group, but if someone wants to join, you can just search the name. It should be St. Mary's Newsweek, St. Mary's High School Newsweek, and also you can share your school group photos and all those things that can be shared in the page.
Yeah.
Thanks, Roja.
Thank you, Raj. Thanks for sharing that. I'll let all others know that. Thank you so much. Yes, Venkatesh, you can carry on.
Hi friends, good morning to all. Wishing happy Teachers Day to all my teachers, and special thanks to the present principal of the school for joining us. First of all, thanks to the Sunila teacher and Oma teacher for conducting this and creating this group. We have a lot of memories in this school. Every day is a memory in school. Completed my masters in UK.
So I request Swati Kiran to speak for 1 minute, and then we will give chance for some others. Yes, Swati Kiran.
Hi everyone. Hope all of you are doing well. First of all, happy Teachers Day to all the teachers, the present and past teachers of St. Mary's High School. I have a lot of memories in that school, which I cannot forget for my lifetime. And I hope the same efforts and all continue.
Yeah, thank you, Swati. I think Suji Roy is in online. I would like Suji Roy ma'am to speak for a few minutes. Suji miss, are you there?
Hi Roja, I'd like to speak. Hi, this is Bhagya.
Yeah, come on, Bhagyasri.
Yeah, firstly, happy Teachers Day to all the teachers out there. Feeling like just reminding all the good old days by seeing all you people. And firstly, thanks to Sunila ma'am and Uma miss also to organizing this event. And I think we have, it's been a long time, reminding all the friends who we have met the first in their days, and it's good to be this kind of virtual meet as well. And I feel everyone has settled their own places at now, and everyone has their own career. But I feel like it's very important to be grounded as well. And one more thing is, like, we have done all the foolish things or stupid things, but in the childhood days. But when you come back and see it, when you remind all those things, you feel like those are the good childhood days. Okay, so I feel very happy for that. And all the teachers, especially Roy sir, Benny sir, Lissy, Johnny sir, each and everyone, they have a strong impact. And whenever you remind of them, you feel all the memories are coming back. And thanks for this virtual meet. It's like a good start to the day. Thanks, Rosa, and thanks to everyone for this meet.
Thank you, Bhagyasri. I request Sheikh Taslim, a senior to us. So I would request Taslim to speak.
Hi all, good morning to see you all. I'm so happy. Happy Teachers Day to all my teachers. Sunila miss, Mastri miss, Pawan sir. I'm so happy to see you all. Okay ma'am, thank you. No words for coming. And
Thank you, Taslim. Thank you so much. I request Lakshmi.
Very good morning to all. Hope all you and your family are safe in this pandemic condition. Myself, Lakshmi, I have completed my schooling completely from LKG to 10th standard was completely in St. Mary's itself. First of all, I thank all the teachers for guiding us to be in this situation. Like you are the pillars for our success. First of all, I am saying you all happy Teachers Day to all my dear teachers. And I thank Sunila Miss and Uma Miss to conduct this event.
Thank you, Lakshmi. I see a lot of people, Janavi, Apsana, Sana. Just come forward and speak few words.
Hi, good morning everyone. Myself Sana Sultana. I am from the passed out batch of 2013. First of all, I am wishing each and every teacher wish you happy Teachers Day. And I have completed my BSc Agriculture now, working as a CEO in the farmer producing company. And thank you all the teachers for giving us the strong foundation for our future, and for spreading love, affection, care and knowledge to each and every student. And I would like this to be continued in the future also.
Thank you, and I request Benny sir to speak few words on this special occasion. I request everyone, if someone saw if any teacher is joining, just let me know so that I can call their name. Benny sir.
Hi children, how are you all? First of all, I would like to regret myself because I could not come to your Google Meet because of a net problem. In our area there is a little bit of problems of net. Now and then only we get net. And it is very happy, pleasure time that on the same Teachers Day you all gathered together to wish and have a happy moments. I don't know who has taken this heavy strive to start this Google Meet. I congratulate all those who have taken the strain in order to gather all the members together and had a meeting together. Wish you all the best. Wish you all the success. Thank you, one and all.
Hi, teachers and students. How are you all? Hope that all are fine. Now we are in Kerala at home with our elder son. He also came back from Italy and searching job here now. We have been working in Telangana in Sangareddy district since 5 years, children. At present, we are at home. Thank you very much for your invitation and wishes. We all very proud of you because still you are remembering us. All the best to all the teachers and my dear students and children. Thank you very much.
Yeah, Deepa Miss is with us. Deepa ma'am. How are you?
Hi all. Very good morning to everyone. I think some of you are still remembering me, but that old Westerns, I don't know whether they know me or not. Anyway, thank you very much for this meeting and your love. Thank you.
Very nice to see you, ma'am. Happy Teachers Day.
Oh, thank you, thank you.
Happy Teachers Day, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
Happy Teachers Day, ma'am.
Happy Teachers Day, Deepa ma'am.
Thank you.
Happy Teachers
Hi,
Day,
ma'am. Hi.
Ma'am.
Thank you very much.
First of all, happy teachers to present and past teachers. I've studied from LKG to 10th class in St. Mary's. It's almost a silver jubilee, 2 more years to complete silver jubilee for St. Mary's. So as many students told that you are our pillars to our future and present as we are in this position. So there are a lot of memories. It's not just single memory to share. So there are a lot and lots of memories. St. Mary's is not only supported in education, they also gave a lot of support in sports. Happy teachers to one and all over there. Thank you.
Hey Roger, sorry, I thought you were one of the school members. Sorry, I not think that you. Sorry about it.
Yeah, that's okay.
School students. So.
Yeah, I'm also a student of St. Mary's School. Right now, I'm doing my master's in UK. So I live in Liverpool, doing my master's in Census and Data Management. So I miss Newsweed and my entire family over there. So I think a lot of students who became teachers. So even I wish all of them a very happy Teachers Day.
May I know which batch you are from?
I'm from 2011, passed out.
Okay, thank you.
So my both brothers were there, were completed their education in St. Mary's itself.
Hi all, a very good afternoon. This is Hemasai Prashanti, passed out in the academics of 2012 and 13. Presently, I am working as
member technical engineer in one of the topmost MNC, that is HCL Technologies. In this special occasion, I would like to extend my gratitude towards those who enlighten me in each and every aspect, that is my teachers. I, being one of the student of St. Mary's, it gave me eagle's wing to fly. It showed me a path which resembles a mountain. It showed me the seeds on sowing my own. With the care and love of St. Mary's, my life enriched. It gave me a glory, crown, and a victory cry. I, being the school choir, remembering memories, and a Kuchipudi classical dancer, my school made me to compete me in the whole town and win prizes accordingly of St. Mary's, and will spread the glorious deeds and praise of St. Mary's always. Remembering the school anthem always. Thank you one and all. A very happy Teachers' Day to all the teachers. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. Remembering my memories always. Thank you.
Thank you, Jahnavi. Thank you so much. It's a great message that you have given and your memories.
Hello everyone, I am Anvita and I am from passed out batch 2014 and 15. Now I am doing my MBBS in Siddhartha Medical College in Vijayawada. First of all, I would like to wish everyone happy Teachers' Day, like Father Michael, CG Miss, Uma Miss and Sunila Miss, who guided us in our childhood, and they gave us very strong they are like pillars to us, and they guided in each and every situation. And once again I thank everyone, and once again happy Teachers' Day to everyone. Thank you.
Hello, Adira.
Hi, this is Adira Srikumar. First of all, I'd like to wish all my teachers a very happy Teachers' Day. Like Andhra Pradesh and St. Mary's always holds a really special place in my heart, because as a native of Kerala and being in Andhra Pradesh for more than half of my life till now, okay, I really like being there because it has been my memory. It has been my fondest memory which I can ever remember, baby. And St. Mary's High School, the teachers, I can't recall everyone, but I can't say everyone because all of them, each and every one of them, from LKG to the 10th class, I remember all the teachers that I can. Is there any problem? Should I stop?
No, Athira, you can continue. Okay, thank you.
Mainly, I should say that St. Mary's as a school have helped a lot in modifying me to what I am now. Okay, I completed my bachelor's in botany means, and I'm doing the post-graduation in the same. St. Mary's School, as I remember, at least now, I don't know what is happening now. It has always been the first among I don't know what to say now. St. Mary's always been the first one to come into my mind when I think of a school which modified me. And it not only concentrates on studies, the extracurricular activities were really important. Even when Benisar and the teams were, founders of the school, and when fathers took up the school, everything. Co-curricular activities, like being in groups and all, I remember everything, the dance, the sports, everything were really awesome, right? First of all, when we think of the school, not only the studies, the extracurricular activities, the dance, the programs, the competitions, all. I really miss it all. I don't know what to say. Thank you, Sunilami, Sumastri, and Pawan sir for conducting this and giving us an opportunity to speak like this. And I wish you guys would do this every year. See every teachers, every student who passed out, and who are leading a really good life. And I also wish the teachers who are not here and who are not being able to come here a very happy Teachers' Day. And I have one right in my house, right, my mother. Okay, I wished her today morning. And thank you, miss. Thank you, Sunami, for repeatedly calling me and waiting. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Adira. Athira, if your mom was with you, we would request ma'am to speak few words if she is with you.
Okay, I don't know if she is willing to speak. I will see.
Yeah, sure. Raj Krishna, could you...
Hey, hi Raj. Hi all.
Yeah. Can you share your...
Yeah, actually, thanks everyone. Actually, it was great getting an opportunity to speak, but I was just waiting for Benisa to first hear a few words, then I thought I could take an opportunity for a couple of minutes to speak on. But surely, if you don't mind, I would like to just hold on. But surely before the end of the call, I would like to speak few words.
So, Mubina, Janavi, I think Chainisha have joined. Chainisha, if you're there, I would like you to speak. Rohit, I request anyone to come forward and speak few words.
Yeah, good afternoon to all. A warm welcome and a very happy Teachers' Day to all the teachers that are present here. It's been a long time and it's so refreshing to see all of you people in the middle of a pandemic and to talk and to share views. It's good. Most of the people try to join and I can see most of my friends here.
Morning, everyone. First of all, I wish all the teachers a very happy Teachers' Day. I'm very happy to see you all, ma'am and sirs. It's really the time I spent in my school really best part of my life. And teachers, they always encourage us and motivate us to not only in education but also in other activities like games, singing competitions, so much. And because of that, I came to know about my interests, my talents like that. I'm so good to see you all. Umashri Miss, Bhanmati Miss, Sunila.
You already spoke, so if you want to share any other memories, you can just come forward and speak. It's not just only for a few minutes. If you want whatever you want to share, you can share with us. It's a great pleasure for us.
Okay, sorry. Yeah, Juhi, come on.
Hello, hi everyone. Respected teachers and my dear friends, a very good afternoon to all. I am Ruhi Anjum. I passed out 2014 to 15 batch. I'm studying MBBS second year in Hyderabad. First of all, I wish you a very happy Teachers' Day to all the St. Mary staff. I studied from LKG to 10th class. The foundation was well built by my teachers, and I'll never forget their efforts. I'm very proud to say that I'm a student of St. Mary's, and the only school which gives equal support to the equal priority to the arts, sports, and study as well. And thank you for giving this opportunity. I'm so glad to see you all. And once again, happy Teachers' Day and thank you.
Thank you, Juhi. Thank you so much.
We used to play every evening. We used to play basketball. Volleyball. The volleyball court is in front of the office. I don't know now where was the office, but before it used to be in front of the office. And I visited a lot of times, even after moving out here. I visited Benny sir, probably 5 years back, I believe, and later on I didn't get a chance. And I spoke a couple of times with George sir, as well as Stanley sir. That's it. I mean, there are a lot. I mean, as I mentioned, even though I completed my bachelor's, master's, and everything right now, but still, school life is the best for me. I mean, it's not. I'm thinking it's not only for me, but for most of them here in the call as well. I think they remember the school life rather than any other, whatever the intermediate or anything, whatever they're studying, going past the school.
Thank you, Raj. to carry on. I'm late to my work, and thank you for giving me this opportunity to speak with all of you, and it's a great honor for me. And once again, I wish you a very happy Teachers' Day for present and past teachers of St. Mary's High School. And I miss Benny sir's voice, and like I'm unable to see him right now. So if it is possible, just record someone and just I request my friends, any of one, to record and just send it to me later. Thank you.
Roger, thank you so much for your initiative. Yesterday, when we planned out, you have done it very well. Thanks a lot for taking it and being the head or the anchor of the day. It is almost 2 hours we have begun, and you have done it well, arranging and inviting everyone to be part of it. And I know you are busy schedule, but still you showed your love and attachment to your mother's school, St. Mary's School. Thank you so much. We will see again. Thank you for your support. Thank you so much. Now we will continue for a few more, maybe for 15 more minutes or this gathering. I request anybody to take over it. If Rajakrishna is okay, if you can ready to take up next 15 minutes, it will be fine.
Hello. Thank you, Roja, for the guidance throughout the program. Now I request Yashwant, my batchmate, former school SPL, to speak a few words and share a few memories with us. Yashwant, you there?
Yeah, hello, good morning to all. And first of all, I would like to wish all the teachers who have been here a happy Teachers' Day. Father Michael, Uma Miss, and everyone, Pawan sir. And I hope you guys are doing well. It's a bit depressing that we all have to meet virtually today, but yet again it is nice. I mean, we are doing something. We are meeting everyone here, and I would like to thank Sunila Miss for calling me up at the last moment and inviting me to this opportunity. And I actually don't have much to say. I have been hearing you guys speak, so it was nice. And being a part of St. Mary's is always the best thing that has happened to me while I was here in Newsweek for almost up and until my 10th class. Then for the math, I think he's not here, but he has given me the inspiration to pursue higher education out of the state. He has been the mentor, not academically. He was, we all had very good teachers here. Everyone their best in their own perspective, in their own teaching ways. And I don't have much to say. That's all. I want to thank everyone on this day, and once again I wish everyone a happy Teachers' Day.
Yeah, Justin, can I know which batch you're from? Which batch passed out?
I'm a 2015 passed student.
Okay, nice. Thanks, Yashwant.
Thank you.
Thank you, Yashwant, for your work.
Hello everyone, excuse me. Minimis is with us. Let us speak her. Adira, please be unmuted.
Good afternoon all. First of all, happy Teachers' Day to all teachers. I really miss St. Mary's and the teachers and students there. Thank you. Bye.
Happy Teachers' Day, Miss.
Thank you.
How are you?
Fine.
Okay.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for being here.
Thanks for that. And yeah, first of all, and lastly, happy Teachers' Day to all of you. Everyone be safe.
Thank you.
So, Soman, have you completed speaking, or do you want to speak?
Especially wishes to Bhanumati Miss for encouraging us to take the science field. Miss, happy Teachers' Day and all the Kerala teachers and all the fathers who encouraged us. And I would like this to be continued forever. Thank you, everyone. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Sana, for sharing the words. And thanks, Adira, for being there. And letting us meet the teacher after so many years. Now I would like to invite Manikumar to share a few words with us.
Yeah, I am just passed out from the school. My batch is 2019 to 2020 batch. It's Corona batch. I'm so happy to see all brothers and sisters.
My name is John. I'm passed on 15th to 16th batch. First of all, happy Teachers Day to all. I was studying in 15th to 16th batch, 10th class, and my principal was Father Matthew. He teaches a lot to us, well disciplined, and I hope that he is my superhero. That he teaches me a lot, and I request now the principal of St. Mary's High School, Zigbin, I think. Sir, the 15 to 16 batch was last anniversary to us, and we forced it to them to do that. And I request that please conduct it, sir. We are very anxiety to see all the teachers, and I think that anniversary is the most festival to us, I think. So I request to please conduct again, sir. Thank you. Happy Teachers Day to all.
Hey, thank you, Prince. Let us come from bottom onwards. Can we let who is Vaishnavi Eduresi? Can you speak? Vaishnavi?
Hello.
Yeah, go ahead.
Teachers not only provide us education, but they also provide us how to speak with others, behavior, knowledge, etc. And they are the strongest pillars of St. Mary's, especially Bhanumati Miss, Master Ma'am, Sunila Miss, Pawan Sir. Pawan Sir has the ability to control entire school with a single hand. And nothing to say. Happy Teachers Day. We all miss you, teachers. Thank you.
Yeah, may I know which batch are you? Vaishnavi, which batch?
2018 batch.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Can I have Vijay Kumar? I'm seeing at the bottom. Vijay Kumar.
First of all, happy Teachers Day to all the teachers who are in the group and who are not in the group also. First, happy Teachers Day. Namely, Bhanumati teacher and Umasri teacher and Devi Miss. So I'll thank to all the teachers. So wishing you a happy Teachers Day once again. Thank you.
Thanks, Vijay, for your kind words. Let us request Venu. I am seeing Venu Ritu. I don't know whether you spoke already, but if you haven't, can you come up and speak a little bit?
Sorry for the interruption. Good morning. I'm Dr. Meghna Chapal Madagu, 2010-11 passed out batch. I have completed my graduation in MBBS. Thank you to all my teachers.
So your sister gonna speak right now, or?
Yeah.
Yeah, go ahead.
Good morning, all. I'm Vashta Chapal Madagu, 2017-18 passed out batch. I have completed my intermediate and I am about to join my graduation. Happy Teachers Day to all wonderful teachers right here. And as we all know, Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan said, a good teacher is like a candle. It consumes itself to light the way of others. Especially my teachers helped me to develop my confidence, improve my knowledge, and also helped me to improve my natural talents like hidden talents, the way they adore when I achieve something really that feels me really so special. And I thank my beloved institution, St. Mary's, and especially Father Jibin for giving me this opportunity to be a part of Teachers' Day celebrations. Thank you.
Good morning, one and all. I'm Yoshita Chapalmadu, 2011-12 passed out. I have completed my graduation in civil engineering. Right now, I'm building my career and also preparing for post-graduation. I wish my teachers happy Teachers' Day. And this is the day we appreciate and honor our teachers for whatever they have doing for us and whatever they need to us. I think Teachers' Day is the best occasion to express them what they really mean to us. Without them, our lives are meaningless. To my teachers, you are my foundation for whatever I am today. I know I can repay your effort, but I assure to serve the society by extending your services without expecting any personal gain, but for the benefit of the society. St. Mary's is like a family which gave me a bunch of guides, cheerful memories, best friends, and it is not like all other schools run over grades. It is a place to improve knowledge, learn good manners, develop confidence, expose hidden talents, and I am pleasured to be a part of it. As at last, I would like to say something for my lovely teachers that the way you tell, the love you show, the care you take makes you the best teacher in the world. Thank you for giving me these wonderful opportunities to thank my teachers and share my experience.
Yeah, let's go with another person, Sripati Rao Curry. If you're there, please unmute yourself and speak a few words and share your memories with us. Sripati Rao.
Very good afternoon to all. First of all, happy Teachers' Day to our beloved staff and fathers present in this meeting. I just graduated from the school, and as the SPL of this school, I would like to request the fathers to give blessings to our school who had served for this school. And I think me and my friend only Nitin Ram were in this meeting in our batch, and seeing all the successful people attending this meeting by the inspiration that I got from you, maybe one day I will be successful in my life too, and tell my juniors about the meeting that we had in this, the virtual meeting that we had now. And so that's all I want to say. Thank you. Thank you for the opportunity.
Thank you so much, Sripati Rao Daru. Then Sunila Miss, you were speaking something. Please unmute yourself and.
One second. Congrats on your graduation, Sripati Rao, and all the best to the future.
Soumya, Prashanti is there. Prashanti.
Okay.
Yeah, ma'am. Due to some technical issues, I have spoken out from my sister's account. I have done from my side.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Next,
thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
I guess Chandu is speaking right now.
Yes, I'm Chandru.
Yeah. Please go on.
Good morning, father. Good morning, teachers. I'm Chandu. I'm studying at St. Mary's High School. It's a last year batch and 18 and 19 batch. He's completed my 10th year. Is so good and good teachers. They are teaching and to me, and any problems came, his teachers is supporting to me and really lot and encouraging me to me and so lot. And games also there is so good and good position. There are good rules and they're participating and saying about my classmates are already in online in meeting, and Vijay Kumar and there is my classmate is Golsa and Vaishnavi Naiti and there all is but
Thank you, Chendu, for sharing your experience with us. Now, I would like to invite Ruma to speak a few words and share your experience with us.
A joyful good afternoon to all. This is Ruma Anjum. I wish a happy Teachers' Day to all the St. Mary's staff. Thank you for guiding us, inspiring us, and making us what we are today. I am a +2 completed student and I'm about to graduate. I have passed out in my 8th class. I studied till 8th class in St. Mary's. I love all the memories of St. Mary's, especially at the time of arts and sports. The only school which gave equal priority to sports, arts, and study itself. Study as well. And once again, happy Teachers' Day to all. Thank you. Thank you for giving me this opportunity.
Thank you. So, would anyone like to speak?
Hello.
Yeah, good afternoon, all.
Yeah, good afternoon. Go ahead.
I'm from 2017 passed out batch. I wish happy Teachers' Day for all the teachers who are present here, as Father Michael, Father Jiva, and many more teachers like Homasri Devi and Sunila Miss. I wish a happy Teachers' Day. They motivated us in the right way. They led us in every single stage. They encouraged us, and I was more happy to see you again here after a long time. And once more, I wish happy Teachers' Day to all. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Hemashri. I passed out my 10th in the 2017 batch. It's the Silver Jubilee batch. Now I'm doing my B Pharmacy in the Nojeweed from Siddhartha College.
I wish for the Jibin, for the Jiva and all of the St. Mary staff a very happy Teachers' Day. Very glad to see you all and to speak with you for sharing all the memories and all. I wish once again a very happy Teachers' Day.
Thank you so much. We have Pravalika to share a few experiences, and hopefully after that we can conclude this meeting with a prayer song. Just any song. The Meghana sisters wanted to sing the song. I mean, it's already getting late, and Father Jeben already gave the intimation before. Is that okay with everyone?
On this beautiful occasion, first of all, I would like to wish all the teachers a very happy Teachers' Day. And let us all take the opportunity to convey our wishes to all our teachers who has given us impeccable contribution on shaping us. And I have lots of memories in our school, and I passed out in 2019 batch, and I secured a good marks because all of encouragement of our teachers. And I have a nice, very experience and memory with our teachers, which I would like to share. In my 8th standard, due to some financial problems, I thought to drop out from the school where I thought to study in a government school. At that time, I was waiting for a moment where to study again in St. Mary's. At that time, one fine evening, Pawan sir, Umashri miss and Sunila miss came to my home, and they convinced my mom to study again in St. Mary's, and they took the responsibility of my studies. Thank you so much for doing that, and you mean a lot to me. Thank you. And St. Mary's is not a school, it is a family for me. Thank you for your encouragement and everything. And finally, I would like to thank all the teachers for guiding us, inspiring us, and shaping us, and making us what we are today, I think. And we miss you a lot. Thank you for giving this opportunity. And I would like to thank Father Jibin, the present principal of St. Mary's family, because whenever we visit school, he makes us feel very comfortable and feel free, and he talks very nicely. And thank you so much for giving me this opportunity. Thank you, sis.
Thanks, Devi. Shweta Singh, I think you are trying to speak, right? You can go ahead and speak. Probably
Yes,
this may
I'm brother of Shweta Singh. I'm Rohit. Yes, I have studied from 7th to 8th, 4th to 8th, sorry, in St. Mary's for 4 years.
Yes, we can hear you. Go ahead. We can hear you.
Yes, I wish all happy Teachers Day to all the teachers, and good afternoon to all my teachers and my friends and my juniors and my seniors. I have studied only for 4 years in St. Mary's, and also have n number of memories in St. Mary's. Like we have Pawan sir, Sunila miss, and Uma miss, and Sebastian, Father Sebastian, and Roy sir. I want to thank Pawan sir very much for making me a bright student from a poor student. He is a great genius in maths. And I can also remember the days when all the teachers and students played volleyball in the ground. When Venkatesh, Saiteja, and Father Sebastian, and Vagi's father. And I can remember all those days. I'm being very nostalgic now. Hope you can understand.
Yeah. Thank you. I think we can go ahead, and because it's already late, I believe, and probably Meghana.
Invite Father Jibin to give a vote of thanks, so that we can say hi to each other temporarily, and we can meet again, hopefully.
Yes. So once more, I express my hearty thanks to everybody. Father Michael, though he had prayer, he went and came back and joined all time. Then all the fathers, all the students, teachers. I think this time, the time of COVID-19, how we celebrate the Teachers' Day was a different thing we thought. Then only this thought came to me, and I shared with Sunilams and Pawan sir, and they took the initiative, and they contacted you. It was all came in 2 days. Actually, the form came only yesterday afternoon onwards. Maybe yesterday only we finalized it. That's why it was late to reach you, all the communications and all. But still, I know many of you joined, and it was really a feeling for me. I am new to you. I have only joined St. Mary's last year. But many of you, Father Michael from 2010, then Benny sir, Roy sir, and all before that, So many of them, it was a feeling of appreciation and happiness because we all teachers, we work together here or in the schools to see our children are being grown up and successful in your life. And we find it, when many of you shared about your success in your life, we were very happy to hear, not only me, though I don't know many of you, but how the feeling of the teachers and the principals or the fathers, I can feel it. So I'm very happy. Thank everyone for joining for this meeting. We will continue like this fraternity. And also I welcome all of you when you come back to your homes, those who are in abroad or away from home, when you come back to home, you consider St. Mary's as your second home and visit us. We'll be very happy to welcome you and see the, pray for the progress of our school and for the children and teachers here. So thanks to everyone once more. Thanks to each and every one of you shared. Also people who guided, who were anchors, first Roja, then Rajkumar, and many of you, different occasions. You did it well. Thanks a lot. And the final thing was that our song, the school anthem, when it was sing, I was finding many of you are joining. That is the real fraternity and love. Let us keep on going for this. The congregation of the Sons of the Immaculate Conception, CFIC, we like to work for the children, and we try to do that. And that's why when our children are grown and successful in their life, we are like to hear that, because it is our aim, our founders' aim, and that is for what we are called. So thanks to everyone once more. Thanks to Father Michael. Thanks to all. Father Michael is our major superior. He is a busy man now in Italy, but still he all the day, for all the time, except for his prayer time, he was with us. Then all the fathers and all of you who joined. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot to everyone. We'll meet again. And thanks to our Sir and Sunil Lamis and all the teachers of this St. Mary's School who worked behind it. Thanks. Bye-bye. Thanks a lot.
All the memories, and the memories bring back your